Hi there, students. Shelter. Shelter is both a noun and a verb. To shelter means to give cover against, to protect against damage, to protect against harassment, to protect against adverse conditions, to shield, if you like. Especially in bad weather. Let's see. An air raid shelter gives shelter when the bombs are falling, a protected place. At bus stops, very often you will find a little building or a little roof. This is a bus shelter. It's there to shelter you against the wind and the rain. You could also use this metaphorically. The child's life was very sheltered from the realities of the world. His upbringing was very sheltered. So to shelter, a shelter, something that protects you. You can also use the verb to shelter, meaning to take cover, to find a place that's sheltered. So during the rain, we sheltered in a cave. We looked for shelter out of the cold wind. We sheltered beside a wall that broke the wind. A shelter could also be an institution, a place that provides temporary housing for people in difficult situations. For example, homeless people, the homeless shelter, for runaways, for victims of domestic violence. The shelter provides a safe place for these people. Okay, so to shelter, to provide a safe place or to find a safe place. We picnicked in a sheltered, sunny spot. Here I've used sheltered as an adjective. It was sheltered from the wind. The house is in a very sheltered location. Nobody can actually see the house. You can't see the neighbours. And it's probably protected against inclement weather. So, as the Rolling Stones sang a song, "Gimme shelter, give me a safe place from this difficult life." Now, next question, what about formality? I would say this word is neutral. I'd probably give it a 5 in formality. You could use it in an informal conversation or in a very formal document. So nice and flexible there. To shelter is a regular verb. We sheltered under a tree. The institution has sheltered him for many years. And then what about the origin? Well, there's an old English word, shield. A shield, the thing that you use to protect yourself in a battle. And shelter has come from shield. You can see how the two words are linked. So, to shelter, to protect, or to take cover, to find a protected place. There you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Shelter.